Hello everyone, in this video we will explain our presentation application borrowing equipment. In this our manager project, Mr. Atahila Escom Encom. In this group interaction, our team, first leader Agil Nawawi and member John Reform, next Aditya Rinordana and Tasha Sri Rezeki. Next, tax distribution, our team. First, Agil Nawawi is group leader, tax distribution, spokesperson, assist with front end and back end. Next, John Reform, his design front end, create wireframe and mockup, and design poster. Next, Aditya Rian Wardana, his design flowchart, as back end development and create web diagram. And next, Tasha Sri Rezeki, his prepare presentation slide and handle project report and assist front end development. The next slide is explained by Tasha Sri Rezeki.
General description. The equipment borrowing website is a web-based system used to manage the borrowing and returning process of various tools more effectively, quickly, and in an organized manner. Program language we use is Express.js for the backend and Next.js for the front end. Database, MySQL, editor, we use Figma, Canva, and CorelDRAW. For tools, we use Visual Studio Code, Laragon, and HeidiSQL. Project design. Planning. Number 1. The goal of this project is to provide a platform for processing equipment or space loans in a practical, accurate, and efficient manner. Number 2. The main feature of this application are equipment management, borrowing, and returns, and reporting and monitoring process. Number 3. The technology used is HeidiSQL, Next.js, and Express.js. Analysis. Number 1. Analyze project requirement, work duration, and tax distribution. Number 2. Design wireframes, mockup, and website prototypes. Number 3. Identify user experience or UX needs. The last is implementation. Number 1. Implement front-end development based on pre-designed UI. Number 2. Develop back-end to connect with front-end via API. Number 3. Separate front-end and back-end management to isolate user interface and server logic. Project achievement. At this time, the planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing have been completed. The next slide will explain by Adit.
Okay, for the process description and time estimation, here is our project development timeline. We divided our work into 5 main stages. From planning, where we discuss our project requirement, which took around 2 weeks, and analyze design, where we designed the web architecture and layout for 3 weeks, and implementation, the development stage, where our stage started coding the web application, taking 8 weeks, and the testing, which took about 2 weeks to ensure our system and feature work properly and meet user needs. And lastly, for the maintenance, where we maintain and ensure the system continues to function properly, lasting 1 week. And next, for the use case diagram. For the use case diagram, this is our use case. It shows to interaction between the user and the system. Each actor represents a type of user, and its use case describes the function that the user can perform. And by analyzing this diagram, we can clearly identify the main features and system boundaries. And for the main mapping, we have the main mapping. This diagram shows the overall flow of the system, how different components are connected, and how users navigate between pages. It helps us visualize the logical structure and ensure that all functions are linked properly, from like alert system, design UI, database, and software and code editor. From the code editor, we use the Visual Studio Code, and from the software for the backend and database, we use the Express and Next.js, and for the database we use HSQL, and the design UI we use the CorelDRAW, and the other system from the admin and user you can see by PowerPoint we display. Okay, and next we can explain by John Reform.
Okay, now I will explain UI, UX, and basis data. For the UI user interface, we have wireframe is simple because this website use mahasiswa and dosen, not for general. This is a mock-up. We have two color for this website, white and turquoise green. For the user experience, we have simple and not too much element, because this website for functional, not for general. For the first website, show to you pack of dashboard. Number 2 is tools, pack of room, and pack of about and tutorial. If you click the product or tools, you can put the date and the quantity of tools you want request to use. It's same like you want to request room. For the implementation basis data, the primary key is have ID. It's same like all of basis data: user ID, category ID, room ID, and all of we have basis data have primary key is ID. This is the documentation we have to show to you. This project we build together. So this is we have presentation. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and thank you.